Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Oral-B Brown electric toothbrush suddenly stops turning on or refuses to work like it normally does, it can feel upsetting, especially when everything seemed completely fine before. Sometimes the Oral-B Brown electric toothbrush shows no response at all, while other times it briefly powers on and suddenly stops again. A situation like this can happen because of charging issues, battery problems, moisture buildup, or temporary power interruptions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many Oral-B Brown electric toothbrush problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix an Oral-B Brown electric toothbrush not turning on or working. Try these. Step 1. Place the Oral-B Braun electric toothbrush on the charger and allow it time to power up. Step 2. Check the charging base connected to the Oral-B Braun electric toothbrush if charging seems inactive. Step 3. Inspect the power button on the Oral-B Braun electric toothbrush for moisture or buildup. Step 4. Dry the bottom of the Oral-B Braun electric toothbrush if water exposure recently happened. Step 5. Remove the Oral-B Braun electric toothbrush from the charger and try turning it on again. Step 6. Test the Oral-B Braun electric toothbrush and confirm it starts working normally again.